The ocean has a natural rhythm, an ebb and flow that is similar in nature to our human rhythm. Today, tap into the soothing cadence of the ocean as it informs your breath to nurture and calm you. This guided meditation practice will train your nervous system to recognize the calm pattern of your breath as a sign of safety. This is important because you can use your breath to bring the same tranquility into your being when needed outside of this practice. Welcome to the Mindful Movement. I'm Sarah Raymond, and I invite you to make yourself comfortable. Become aware of your natural breath. Notice its rhythm, taking in, holding, and letting go. The simple act of noticing will likely shift the natural rhythm a little, and that's okay. Let it organically shift without manually changing your breath for now. Begin to imagine your breath like an ocean wave. The water rises as you breathe in, cresting, and goes back out as you exhale. Sense the rhythmic rise and fall of your belly and chest, just like the ocean wave. Be present in the movement of the waves of breath within you. Stay with this flow as a reminder of this present moment. Your breath is a signal to your nervous system that it is safe enough for you to check in and to connect with yourself. Your breath is always with you, always available to remind you that there is no threat, no danger. Allow the rhythmic movement of your breath to flow through you like a wave, to relax you and release any held tension. With your breath moving to each part of your body, let go even deeper into a peaceful and calm state. Breathe into and relax your forehead, cheeks, jaw. Breathe into and relax your neck, shoulders, and arms. Breathe into and relax the area of your heart, your belly, your hips, legs, and feet. Let all of your worries go with the ocean wave. Allow the energy of the ocean wave to fill you up and replace any worries with peace and calm, so that you can connect with your inner wisdom and your higher self. Allow any expectations and limiting beliefs to be carried away with the ocean wave. For now, let your labels and masks of identity be carried away with the water. You can get back anything you need when this is complete. After letting go of tension, worries, expectations, limiting beliefs, and labels, your inner guide can appear in your own personal safe space. Imagine yourself safe in a place of nature where you can have your feet on the ground and connect with the peaceful energy of the earth. This can be a place you have been to before, or one that exists only in your imagination. Take a moment to become aware of this beautiful, healing place in your mind. If you can't visualize anything specific, that's okay. You can simply sense a place of safe energy within you. Notice all that you can about your safe space. Use all your senses to take in the full experience